Hey, if you're a blog post writer and you rely on keywords and SEO to rank your blog post, you need to check out this new Chrome extension from Aiprm for use with Chatgpt. It's unbelievable. Hello my fellow Funnelosopers, and welcome back, the channel where we discuss digital marketing, AI, workflow automations, and much more. Today I want to talk to you about a Google Chrome extension called Aiprm. What is that? It's a Chrome extension that works with your Chatgpt account to open up a huge database that you can use to do things like rank blog posts, create blog posts. It's got a prompt in there for writing a human-like blog post, keyword research, keyword brainstorming, marketing plans, the list goes on and on. It is an absolutely phenomenal Chrome extension. The company is in Middleton, Delaware. From reading through their website, they have their core people are involved with SEO and SaaS development, so they definitely know what they're doing, and I've been very happy with using this Chrome extension so far. So let me take you over inside my computer so I can show you how to get set up with Aiprm, and you can start playing around with the Chrome extension yourself. Before I go though, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I put out new videos, and make sure you leave a comment. When you leave a comment and do those other three things, it helps with the algorithm and it helps me to grow my channel. I want to put out content that is interesting and that you'll find interesting, so please make sure you leave comments in there as well. Alright, over inside in my computer. So if you go ahead and Google Aiprm, you'll see their company here, and the Google Chrome extension can be accessed just by going here to the Google Web Store, and just go ahead and add the Google Chrome extension to your list of extensions. Okay, once we get inside, this is, so typically when you look at a Chatgpt dashboard, all you see is this part down here. Now you'll notice with mine, I've got this up here at the top. And this is a list of all the Aiprm Chatgpt prompts. Now, at the top here, there's actually, you can filter these down by topic. All right, so you can do copywriting, generative AI, operating systems, SEO, SaaS, SEO. There's a whole bunch of different topics that you can filter down by. So I'm going to filter it down to SEO, and I am going to look for, let's do some keyword research here. I'm going to do some keyword research, and it's going to have a keyword generator right here. And when I click on this, you notice down here that it adds the keyword generator tab. And what I'm going to put in here is AI's the impact of AI on digital marketing. And we'll hit send, and we'll see what it comes back with. So what it comes back with is a series of what I would call long tail keywords, and these are all keywords that you could use in a blog post. So let's use the first one here, AI driven digital marketing. I'm going to copy that, and we're going to start a new chat. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look for, so we've got SEO still up, we're going to look for blog post. Hit return. And that comes up with a keyword strategy. I want to see blog ideas, I'm going to use this blog writer here, and then I'm going to copy in my AI-driven digital marketing long tail keyword, and I'm going to hit send. And it's going to write me a blog post. Unlocking So let's go up here. Okay, so blog post, unlocking success with AI-driven digital marketing. It wrote me an introduction, and you can see that it's also given me an outline, understanding AI and digital marketing. Now, what you can do is you can ask it to, let's ask it to expand upon number 1.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering.
So the section 1, understanding AI and digital marketing, it will actually expand upon it. And you can see here that defining AI and its role in marketing, customer segmentation, predictive analytics, personalization. So it's basically, it's taken my keyword, it's created an entire outline, and then I can go through step by step through different iterations and edit and improve the blog post. So I'm absolutely thrilled with this new Chrome extension. I recently discovered it. I hope you get to use it too. I'll include a link in the description below. Make sure if you like this type of content that you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications when I put out new videos. Make a comment. Link a comment in there, put a comment in there so that I can add new videos about things that you're interested in. And plus it helps with the algorithm and it helps with growing my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.